Most people think all rewards credit cards are the same, but the surprising truth is that the Combank Smart Awards card combines everyday rewards with simple redemption options. Today, they'll give you an honest review before you apply. The card earns one Combank Awards point per dollar once spent, with extra points for selected categories such as groceries or fuel. You won't believe what happens next. You can redeem points for gift cards, flights, or cashback. The card also has purchase protection and extended warranty coverage, providing added security for your purchases. The surprising truth is the simplicity. Unlike some complex rewards programs, Combank's points system is straightforward and easy to track in the app. You can also redeem points instantly for certain purchases, which is convenient for everyday use. However, the card has an annual fee of $89. If you spend minimally in bonus categories, the rewards may not offset the fee. Additionally, interest rates are higher than some low-interest cards, so carrying a balance is recommended. In conclusion, the Combank Smart Awards credit card is ideal for everyday spenders who want simple, accessible rewards and added purchase protection. If you are disciplined with payments, it can be a great addition to your wallet. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to make smarter financial decisions before applying.